Emerging technologies are technologies whose development, practical applications, or both are still largely unrealized, such that they are figuratively emerging into prominence from a background of non-existence or obscurity. Emerging technologies are often perceived as capable of changing the status quo. Emerging technologies include a variety of technologies such as educational technology, information technology, nanotechnology, robotics and artificial intelligence. New technological fields may result from the technological convergence of different systems evolving towards similar goals. Convergence brings previously separate technologies such as voice and telephony features, data, and productivity applications, and video together so that they share resources and interact with each other, creating new efficiencies. Emerging technologies are those technical innovations which represent progressive developments within a field for competitive advantage. Converging technologies represent previously distinct fields which are in some way moving towards stronger interconnection and similar goals. However, the opinion on the degree of the impact, status and economic viability of several emerging and converging technologies vary. Examples for emerging technology: artificial intelligence, quantum computing, virtual reality, 3D printing, robotics, drone. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with a human mind such as learning and problem solving. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is the use of quantum phenomena such as superposition and entanglement to perform computation. Computers that perform quantum computations are known as quantum computers. Quantum computers perform calculations based on the probability of an object's state before it is measured, instead of just ones or zeros, which means they have the potential to process exponentially more data compared to classical computers. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Applications of virtual reality include entertainment, for example video games, and education, for example medical or military training. Other distinct types of VR-style technology include augmented reality and mixed reality, sometimes referred to as extended reality or XR. 3D printing. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is the construction of a three-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. The term 3D printing can refer to a variety of processes in which material is deposited, joined or solidified under computer control to create a three-dimensional object, with material being added together, such as liquids or powder grains being fused together, typically layer by layer. Robotics. Robotics means design, construction, and use of machines, robots, to perform tasks done traditionally by human beings. Robots are widely used in such industries as automobile manufacture to perform simple repetitive tasks, and in industries where work must be performed in environments hazardous to humans. It is also used in medical field nowadays. Drone. A drone, in technological terms, is an unmanned aircraft. Drones are more formally known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or unmanned aircraft systems, UASs. Essentially, a drone is a flying robot that can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously through software-controlled flight plans in their embedded systems, working in conjunction with onboard sensors and GPS. This can be used during a disaster or other such purpose where human can't reach. This is also used in defense for security purpose,